Book of Heaven, Volume 2, May 26, 1899. Contempt of oneself must be united to faith. This morning, I was in such a state of annihilation of myself, to the point of feeling obnoxious and irritated. It seemed to me that I was the most abominable being that could be found. I saw myself like a little worm that tossed and turned, but remained always there, in the mud, unable to take one step. O God, what human misery! Yet, after so many graces given to me, I am still so bad. My good Jesus, always benign with this miserable sinner, came and told me,
Contempt of yourself is praiseworthy when it is well invested by the spirit of faith. But when it is not invested by the spirit of faith, instead of doing you good, it can harm you. In fact, in seeing yourself as you are, unable to do anything good, you will be discouraged, disheartened, without daring to take one step on the path of good. But by leaning on me, that is, by investing yourself with the spirit of faith, you will come to know and despise yourself, and at the same time to know me, confident of being able to do anything with my help. And here is how, by acting in this way, you will walk according to the truth.
How much good these words of Jesus did to my soul! I comprehended that I must enter into my nothingness and know who I am, but I must not stop there. Rather, immediately after I have known myself, I must fly into the immense sea of God and stay there to draw all the graces that my soul needs. Otherwise, my nature remains weakened, and the devil will look for means in order to cast it into discouragement. May the Lord be always blessed, and may everything be for His glory. Thank you for being a part of our community here at Divine Will app. If you enjoy listening to Jesus' lessons on how to live in the divine will, please give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more souls yearning to live in the kingdom of the divine will. We'd love to hear your thoughts and reflections, so drop a comment below. Your insights not only enrich our community, but also inspire others on their spiritual journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By joining us, you're helping to spread the news of the kingdom of the divine will, so that together we can bring His kingdom to reign on earth as it is in heaven. In the divine will, always.